Okay, let's go. Okay, sedap. Akil. Dekat Sarawak. Akhirnya Kuching.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed?
Hari ni kita ke mana?
Kampung Budaya Sarawak.
While wishing for something better, I try to fix things that weren't broken. Misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start,
Beli sing kapung.
cause I don't wanna waste my time.
Tengok binatang, kita punya guide ni memang berpengalaman tentang binatang. Dia akan cari dekat history, kita check lah. Saya suggest ni sebab dia ni antara yang terbaik.
If we don't feel the same way,
Okay, batu sistek. Cantik tak?
that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No. I don't wanna waste my time. No. Maybe you don't wanna know. You don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No, no, I don't wanna waste my time.